Yeah, so we're the Masters of Dropping Objects, which is the juggling club here on campus, Masters of Dropping Objects. Come join, come learn how to juggle. It's a great skill. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot more important than school. So come learn.
We're with the Urban Gaming Club at Pitt, and we have a lot of stuff here that we do. We do board games, video games, card games.
I'm the editor-in-chief of the Pitiful News, the one and only satire newspaper here on campus. And if you like making fun of the university and the people that go to it, you should join. It's really fun.
So this is Closer Than You Think. We're an organization for out-of-state and out-of-country students. Kind of the main point of our club is for people who aren't from the Pittsburgh area to learn more about Pittsburgh and to meet other people who are also from different areas in the country or in the world.
I am the president of Anointed Steps of Faith. Basically, we are a step dance group. For those of you who don't know, step is basically sort of body percussion, like a type of dance